Publications box provides quick access to publications that you use regularly. Not all of your publications are listed, so you may want to amend this list. You can see a maximum of 30 publications in this box. When you click on a title, you have a choice to view the table of contents page, add the publication as a search filter, sets a pre-filter on the red search box on the home page to only search that publication. You can remove the filter by clicking on the Lexis Advance logo in the top left-hand corner. Go to Advanced Search, goes to Advanced Search page and will only search that publication. View publication information, more information about that publication. Save publication to your favorites. View all publications, click to see all of your publications.